All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we today? Guys, Venkat, you were in here early. Was it weird that intro? I could not get it to it was kept saying me that my stream was off and it wasn't recording anything and but you guys can hear me, right? And you guys see me, hear me, see my screen, everything? Cool, cool, cool. I like couldn't get it for a while and it just I was like trying to start it and it wouldn't start it and then I don't know what was going on. For a second, I thought my membership to the streaming platform canceled again or something like that, because that's what it used to do in the beginning. And I was like, "There's no way." All right, what's up? So we got Ape Trades in here. We got Andreas Arce back again. Bencat was here from the beginning. Kyrian is in here. Who's trading today and who's not trading today? We got Jims. Mursa's in here early. Mursa, last times you've been coming in like last minute. You're in here early, I guess. Agaska's in here. Let me open up that YouTube chat as well. Agaska, I don't know why your name triggered that. I guess because you were on YouTube the other day. So I'm gonna open that YouTube chat real quick so I don't ignore them for 2 weeks, apparently. Who else was in here? Venkat was in here. Mercer was in here. Soul Granny was waiting for me on a rainy day. A little bit of sad looking there. Blair's in here again. All right, Ape Trace is ready. Ape Trace is ready. Ape Trace is just telling me exactly right off the bat. Look, here is what I'm trading. Here's what you should look at. Here's what's gonna be popping today. SPRB and IMMX. All right, so I'm gonna type those in and look at my Gapper scanners. So I got those as well. I also got RPTX and PDSB. That's the one you gave me. Okay, so those are good. Those are good there. Those are good there. Let's see. Let's go look at. I saw NutX yesterday started rallying, and a lot of people are watching it. So 11.19 is a high. I don't even know where the stock is right now. Where's the price of it right now? 1088, right there. Okay, let's put an alert up here on NutX. See if that continuation from yesterday starts, keeps going. Let's see. No, wrong one. Joey's in here. Good morning, Joey. RDBX. RDBX again? There's no way. RDBX has paid me good already. RDBX, I think I traded like 3 or 4 days. I went green on all of those days, every single trade, and like decent size. I actually, after I traded RDBX that many times, I went back and I was like, RDBX has got to be on the top like stocks for my all-time profits, because I was probably like $4, $5, $6,000 on RDBX that I had made, and it wasn't even in like the top 10. I was like, what? I was kind of surprised. Darth Trader's in here. Did you miss the intro, Darth Trader? It's okay. I was having issues in the beginning. Somehow I always have some kind of issue where it's like not playing. Okay, P. Okay, let's go down the list. So Nutix was yesterday's. VIX, I'm not gonna pay attention to that. ONCT, no. AVDL, no. AVYA, that's the one that Ali was it Ali Concha? Ali Concha, you're the one that had a short on Avaya, right? If Ali Concha's in here already, clean short all the way from here, which is at 450 area, all the way down. I think he covered right there, so he got all of that move. I think it was Ali Concha, right, guys? Am I thinking of the right person? I don't think he's in here yet, but we can wait and ask him later. So MTP, no. TNXP yesterday's. So where do you find the short on TNXP yesterday, guys? Connect the lows from pre-market, connect the lows from market open, connect the lows from market open up there. Once you break that trend line, look at that fade for the rest of the day. Everybody that's short, everybody that likes going short, connect that pre-market low, connect those market lows. Look how perfect it lines up. Two right there, one right there, that one right there a little bit. I mean, I could probably move it up a little bit like that. There's that wick right there, and then flush through it, a little pop back up, and fade the rest of the day, right? Fade the rest of the day. So TNXP probably not. HSDT. I don't even know what this one did. Okay, so it went sideways and eventually failed. So forget that one. BKSY, no. Jan, no. MULN, no. Husa. Husa did me good that one. The same thing. Look at this. Same thing on this one. Look at this. Pre-lows right there. Connect the lows of pre-market on this one if you want to go short. If you want to flip the coin and go the other way, connect the lows of pre-market, market open, market open, market open, big flush through it, and it's almost the same setup as the other one where you're right at VWAP, so you flush through that trend line, you get to VWAP, and then you fade the rest of the day, right? EFOA got shorted at close yesterday after a nice uptrend. They'll have to cover soon. EFOI. EFOI. I see that. I see that. I will need volume to pick up on this one, and it's kind of a cheaper stock, but I will put an alert anywhere above, somewhere around 1.4. Okay, but now let's look at the ones from today. That's what we all want to see, right? So the top one was IMMX. I got crazy lines in IMMX already from I don't know when, but it looks like they're holding pretty good. High on IMMX is 345. We are currently sitting at 226, 27. High of pre-market was this one right there at 285. So first step on IMMX is get over VWAP, and that pre-high is pretty close. So if we start getting over VWAP, I will take some bounces to that new high. 3045 is the all-time high, so there's still going to be a little bit of shorts, not until we get up there, which is ideally where my setups play the best of highs or highs. Like you're at max highs or new all-time highs or something like that. So I might play this one a little bit safer. Hold on, take a look at PDSB. So PDSB, same thing with this one. So we see that high of 564, but that is 2-3 days ago, and even though it's close, we're not quite there yet. So we're only at $4.60, the high of today. If I look at this graph right here, just like this, it looks perfect, right? Like, oh, what the heck did I get that high from? If I look at this graph right here, I'm like, okay, this looks amazing. Like, the high is just right there. I can take a trade at 4.5, 4.50, half dollar through that. But you got to remember, there's people probably still short holding from $6, $5, $5.50, $5, all of these, right? So if you take a trade here, it's going to be a little bit more risky than taking a trade here. I would rather take a trade with 10,000 shares up here for a 10-cent move of $1,000 than take a 10,000 share trade down here. This doesn't mean that this is not a bad setup, but I feel more comfortable taking it when it's at high days, right? Because once you break that highs, there's nobody. What? Oh, it's the volume bar. Oh my God, that was so trippy. Look, I was like this, and I guess I marked it right there as being the high, so I went like this, and I was like, okay, cool. And then I like zoomed in, and I was like, where did I get that? And then I put it back low when I was zoomed in, and then just now I zoomed out again, and I saw it, and I was like, wait a second, guys, I shouldn't trade today if I'm seeing that. I was like, I shouldn't trade that if I'm seeing that. You guys saw what I'm seeing? Never mind, if you didn't get it, never mind, forget about it. Anybody over on YouTube? I see 26 people watching on YouTube. Volume bar was a fake out breakout. Bro, imagine if it was like this. Look at that fake out breakout. That was funny. You knew exactly what I was seeing. You knew exactly what I was seeing. So good, I'm not going crazy. So PDSB, that's this one. So good setups all across. I'll still take some of these trades, but I don't feel that comfortable to take those larger share sizes unless we're at highs or higher highs, right? Doesn't mean this is a bad setup. This still can be a good setup, and it still looks like a good setup. But like, look at this. This looks different, right? 2.7 is the max high it's hit in I don't know 3-4 months. I mean, if somebody's holding short for 3 or 4 months, that's amazing, right? But and of course, this one doesn't have the good setup. I'm gonna put an alert on this one anywhere above like 2-3 if it even gets up there. IMMX I already looked at. RPTX looks good. It's about to hit a new high just now though. RPTX looks good. RPTX has room to move up. RPTX Well, I have the 180 moving average, but it's over at 1250 and a half. Shorting for 3 months sounds like suicide. It's hard enough shorting overnight. Yeah. So that is true, right? Because I don't short, so I don't know if that's true or not. You do pay extra commissions for holding a position short overnight, right? Because if I hold a long overnight, if I'm not on margin, like if it's just a cash trade, I don't pay commissions, right? But if it's a short, I do pay commissions, right? Okay, yeah. Yeah, there's no way people hold. Unless it's easy to borrow. Okay, okay, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Let me see something real quick though, because it is freezing again. Alright, so RPTX looks good. This still might look like one of those plays where it just kind of trends sideways like HDST yesterday. So this kind of looks like HDST yesterday. But I do like the way this chart looks, and I do like the spreads on it. So you got 11.2, 11.3, 11.4, 11.5. Quick 10 cents, right? 10 cents is a lot. RPTX. And then of course now you just had a little bit of pop up and then sold into, so you can see there's a lot of sellers. Even right here in this 1126 area, I see all those spikes, right? I see all of those spikes. But look, there's not a single candle closing above 1126. This candle got close, but it closed right below 1126. So you guys know what I'm looking for, right? You guys know exactly what I'm looking for already. To get that first candle, it'll make a 1126, 1125. Hold above it, look for dips on that level or any kind of dip below it and push that candle back up. Yes, 4 times the cost to borrow is just the first night. Dang, is it cold in Texas? No, it's freaking hot outside. It's just my house is cold. AI spiking, AI spiking. Let's go look at AI. Do I have AI somewhere already? No, I don't. AI looks like a dead cat bounce. You got a big flush yesterday from $20 to $13, $14. Looks like it was a missed earnings, so you might get a little dead cat bounce, but this is not a play that's going to come all the way back up to 18, 19, $20. Maybe to maybe those 17 levels, 16, 15, 17 if you get that bounce. So we got a little bit under a minute and a half. So let me go back and look at all of them to make sure. So Nutix was a squeeze from yesterday. I got an alert set over $11 on Nutix. Nutix also has room to go. It's a pretty big stock. It used to be $52, now down to 11. PDSB, good play. Highs are pretty far away still, but doesn't mean you cannot take a trade through. That volume bar is messing with my head. Doesn't mean you cannot take a trade through that level right there. So PDSB is there. SPRB, this is the one. Oh, I did look at this one. So SPRB, I got an alert set over 2.3. If we get close to that 2.7, then I'll look at it. IMMX, same thing as PDSB. High is 345. This one's a little bit closer, so anywhere over VWAP on this one, I'll start taking trades through that 2.8 level, 2.85. $3 is pretty close, so $3 can be our first target before we get to that all-time high. Why not over 2 on SPRB? I can. Let me see. It's still too far off from that high. It's just too far off from the high. I mean, if we get over VWAP and $2, then it starts holding, then yeah. RDBX and EFOI. Okay, RDBX maybe. So it looks like I'm going to look at RPTX or PDSB. RDBX. Alright, we're live. That happened so fast. We're live. So PDSB maybe? Looking at PDSB. So PDSB looking for a trade. Maybe that 450 areas. See if we really start opening up. Let me okay, there we go. So PDSB I'm looking at. Let me make sure I'm on the right account. I always do that a lot of times. So PDSB high is a 564 and we're still down here. So let's see if we can keep this VWAP bounce. RPTX failed already. I got RDBX on the side, I got MMX on the side, I got RPTX and PDSB. Momentum Scanner is live, so I'm going to keep watching that one, guys, and you guys have it as well. So that's the one above my screen if you're new here. It starts going live when the market opens, and it shows all the stocks that are breaking new highs on the day. So hopefully we can make it happen. Still up 14 days green in a row. Today we'll make it 15 once I'm done trading. Let's see. IMUX halted. I see that on my halt scanner, which you guys also have access to. 637 is this stock's high. IMUX. Dang it, RPTX looked good and it's flushing. That's the one I wanted to. Nutx is shooting that alert. Can we get this volume on Nutx and break and hold $11 on Nutx? This to me looks like fake volume for now. I don't see that candle even moving. So if you don't see that candle moving, that's not a good sign. Don't jump in it blindly if you don't even see the candle moving, right? I mean, look at this. It looks like it's halted, but it's not. That candle is not halted. Look at that bounce on RPTX. Off of $10 all the way almost off to 11 on one candle. PDSB as well coming back up, holding that VWAP a little bit, holding that VWAP, trying to get over those EMAs, but we cannot. We could not hold that VWAP, so we got below it and got back over it and could not hold it on PDSB. SPRB is pushing a little bit. I guess Ape Trades is right on this one, so wait till we get above $2 VWAP level again. Both of them are kind of at the same thing on my end, so let's see if we can get over VWAP and $2 on that one. I'm waiting to see if RPTX or PDSB do a red to green move. Both of them dropped down, and both of them are coming back up almost kind of at the same time, but they're not flushing completely. So RPTX kind of flushed a little bit, but it's coming back down and coming back up, and so is PDSB. So any of these two guys can do a quick red to green move and catch a lot of shorts in it and squeeze to a new high on both of these. So I'm keeping a pretty close watch on both of them. I'm watching RPTX again right now. Look at RPTX. See, watch RPTX. I'm buying that dip right there. I bought that dip on RPTX, so it's still currently holding. Putting a stop loss above break even, so I got nothing to lose now. Looks like that 11.25.26 area was exactly that same one from the beginning. Dang it, I got stopped out. That 11.25 area, I was saying it this morning and I was saying it just now. Watch this red to green move right here, right? So big engulfing candle, and then little pullback real quick. I got in on that pullback right there. And now let's see if we can break this 11.25. 11.25, 11.26 is that level that I was saying earlier. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spikes over this level, but not a single candle holding it, right? So let's see if we can get this hold. Got a small dip there as well. Got a small dip in there as well again. Back up to $100 profit. Let's see if we can hold this 11.25, 11.26 level on this candle. This candle has 30 seconds left to close. If this candle starts creeping back up a little bit at the close of this candle, like this, look at this buy volume come in, right? Look at this buy volume come in. I have 1,000 shares, and I'm gonna hold these to see if this candle closes up and that next one shoots up. Watch the timing of these candles. 5 seconds left. 5 seconds left. This candle's gonna squeeze up a little bit and then get you that next candle to push up, right? Get you that next candle to push up. Whoa, what the? What is up with these stocks recently, man? What is that? I mean, I like the wick, I like the move, but if I had the chance to sell up there, what is that? What a wick, said Jesperanza. What is that, guys? This is what I hate sometimes. There is no way. I mean, I don't even know if you had an order ready up there if you would even get filled. But somehow it's trying to get up to the top of that wick still. This is that pre-market high, so now this is kind of your resistance. Even though you broke it with that wick, I get it. But you want that candle to close above it, and it's not going to. But quick scalps there, guys. Quick scalps. I scalped the bottom of this candle and sold into it, and I scalped the bottom of this candle and sold into it. So pretty good 2 trades real quick right there. Up $369 on the day. IMMX is a little bit of on a push as well. The fact that this wick happened, I tried to not think about them so much because it wasn't like that candle pushed up and then seller stepped in and pushed it down. Like, it's not a fake out breakout. It's just something, either a misprint, either somebody covered a big position on the short side. I don't know what that is. I can tell you guys. I don't know why these happen. I don't know if they're errors. I don't know if it's like Darth Trader saying a big short covering. But I mean, all I know is that stock didn't shoot up and sellers piled in, right? That's all I know. So if I see another trade somewhere in here, I might take it. But even though that still happened, this is our highest high now, 11.9, right below $12. So I mean, it counts. It counts. But in my mind, I know it's not shorts that we broke them out and then it starts flushing, right? Is that green indicator the VWAP? No, my VWAP indicator is that purple line. That purple line is my VWAP. This is a 180 SMA. So I don't usually look at this right now on the 1 minute time frame. I usually look at the 180 SMA on the bigger time frame. So the 180 4-hour. So, did anybody catch that move though? The market blessed you with that fill. I know you were expecting to be right there. Yes, I know you saw that. I know you saw that right there. I got the bottom of that candle. I got the bottom of that candle. I got a perfect fill on that one. You did. But that first one, I filled up there, and just with that first trade, I was up $300 too, 300, 400. And that second one, I mean, I made a little bit more, but that first one I stopped out after that. AI, somebody's calling AI again. AI, that bounce back up, yep, to that 16.50, $16, 16.50, maybe 17. Momentum scanner, we got APPS, guys. Let's not forget about that. I always sometimes forget about it. I'm too worried about trading, or I was kind of busy trading our PTX. So APPS or Affirm, AFRM. Let's look at AFRM. AFRM, kind of similar thing. IMMX is the one that's come back up now. See, this is more like a fake out breakout, right? You got a double top right there. You break through that, and that candle doesn't even hold that 265 level. That candle instantly goes below it and holds below it. You might push towards the end of this candle and close above it, but see, that's a low close. I don't like seeing that. Let me quickly glance through all of them just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Nutex, I mentioned that one, so I shot an alert above $11. I said if you don't even see the candle moving, guys, don't even trade it. If you see that candle frozen and it's not actually halted, don't even trade it, right? So we left it alone, and we were right there when I called it. With that low volume is your best friend. With low volume, you're gonna fail, right? So, and then we got PDSB. PDSB, I'm still liking if we can get over VWAP. We're kind of holding this move right now. There goes RPTX again and IMMX again. I'm going to look at RPTX. RPTX, we would be looking to trade through that 11.90 up to $12. Maybe even 11.5 right now. But resistance is right there, 11.46. IMMX is the one that now it's opening up. See right here, this is IMMX, guys. This is what I was saying earlier. If this was the max highs that this stock had in like months, I would be kind of almost chasing this move, right? I'd be buying this dip, I'd buying this dip. I know that move is right there. But because this is just today and just a couple days ago we're up here, I don't feel as comfortable taking that trade. I don't know if that's a psychological thing that I've realized or if it's like a legit thing where shorts really are still piled up at $3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So they want to keep that short. So they're coming in shorter down here to not even let it get close to that level, right? That's what I like to think, and it sometimes works because I pick out the quality trades. The quality trades is RPTX at max highs. RPTX at max highs, I have no problem getting a big squeeze there as opposed to IMMX. It's just a pivot point. It's just a pivot point. There's no higher high. There's no high of day. There's no high of months. So let's see. PSTG is also on momentum scanner. PSTG. Let's go see what PSTG looks like. Pricier stock. Let's go look at RPTX. Again, RPTX. RPTX climbing up a little bit. RPTX got over 1150. RPTX, if it starts opening up 11.9 through $12 is a good trade. We really got to get this squeeze going on right here on RPTX. Didn't even give me a dip. So RPTX, let's keep watching. 11.9, if we get close to 11.9, $12 is around the corner. We can get a pretty nice squeeze through there. I should have got that dip down there. We got 15 seconds left on this candle. If this candle keeps pushing up this 15 seconds, then that might be good. Look how they always push on those last 10-15 seconds. It picks a direction. That tells you who's in control. I'm watching RPTX still. If we get a little bit of bigger dip, I might jump in it. Unless we start just straight up squeezing, then I might buy that breakout trade on this one. But we seem to be holding this candle as well. I'm just not in it yet. That candle got bought up like on TNXP yesterday. Remember that big dip that I took and got up like crazy, and then it started pushing back up like this? Getting an alert shot up for Joby. That was from like yesterday. I'm in high on this one, but I'm holding to this candle. See if this candle keeps holding these levels, then we can get a squeeze. If not, I'll stop out. Nothing wrong with that. Getting another alert for PDSB, so watch PDSB, guys. So you see all that buying pressure down there. These dips are getting bought up real quick. We just need to break this 1175, the quarter mark, and then we can move higher. Here he goes. Buy orders coming through right here. Buy orders coming through right here. Do I see 1175? I do see 1175. What a strong resistance at 1175. If we break 1175, 11.9 is definitely hitting. Who do you think so? Who thinks 1175 is going to break here? Did that break right there and didn't keep going? I can't see. And I don't want to take my mouse off the... I'm going to stop out. I think that broke and didn't break. Yep. That's why I stopped out real quick. That is why I stopped out. Do you see that break, right? It literally barely touched 176 right there. Touched 176 and could not keep breaking. That's why I got out. So Wild Boys, right, is going to pick a direction one way or another. I got out right at the perfect time, so I think I lost about $100, but good trade there. So when you see those break, guys, and you don't get that clean break that you're looking for, I said 1175 break, right? If 1175 broke and you moved 1 penny higher, I mean, look at this. I saw that and I questioned it. I said, guys, PDSP. Okay, let me look at PDSP real quick. Looks like MRSA. I looked over at the chat and I see MRSA yelling or congratulating. So IMUX going crazy. Oh, that's the halt resumption one. Are you making money on that one? Are you making money on that one? Who said that? Samurai Stefan. Sniper Trade is back in here. I am trading RPTX and maybe PDSB if we get a clean move. IMUX came halted and kept actually pushing higher. So there's trades on that one. RPTX is my top stock right now, or my winner actually. Let me look at IMUX. Okay, I missed a lot of comments, I think. So, are you always on a 1 minute time frame, Agaska? Yes, I am. I only watch the 1 minute. I do have the 5 minute on the side, but I don't think I look at it as much as I probably say I probably should. So, Agaska, momentum, you want to be, yes. What are you trading today? I think I answered that. IMX going crazy. Hopefully, you made some money on it. Samurai Stefan, he's going hard in one direction. That was for RPTX, Wild Boy, and it definitely did. I'll explain that trade real quick. So, it broke down right after that next shelf, too. That's short control. Got in at 289. You got 289 on IMUX, right? There we go. You're still holding IMUX? Samurai Stefan? Are you still holding IMUX? So on RPTX, I just took a $100 loss. But why did I cut it out so fast without hesitating? Look at these candles right here, right? 3 candles to the penny at 11.75, right? 11.75, 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, 11.75. Sold, made it quick, $60. There you go, Samurai. There you go, $60. $60 is good. That'll pay your gas in these times. So 1175 hit it once, twice, 3 times, and I said at this point 1175 is a break. If we break 1175, we can squeeze. And I noticed this tiny penny move. I even said, I was like, did that break 1175? And it did, because it broke 1175, which was our big resistance, and we squeezed 1 penny higher. At this point, I said, I don't like that. Like, that's not the move I'm looking for. I'm not looking to catch a 1 penny move and then see if hopefully out of nowhere it comes in, right? I was waiting for that. Oh wow, hold on. I was watching for that candle to break 1175 and actually keep pushing higher. So back under 1150 again. Can we break 1150 back up? Bounce off of VWAP, come back up. I'm seeing if RPTX wants to curl back up. 1150 is now their next level of resistance, so you can see now we're stuck under 1150. Looks like I'm getting out. Scratch trade on that one. I'm still going to look for this curl back up. IMUX looks like it's going to hit another high of day. Getting close to that 336. RPTX has a lot of sellers, guys. I don't like seeing that, but when I see a lot of sellers like that, and we get a clean move back up to those highs or like a key resistance like that, you can get a pretty clean squeeze because you have so many sellers. So at some point, they all have to cover. And if you get them out of surprise, all of them at the same time, you can get a big move. IMMX looks like to be doing the same thing soon. So PDSB holding well. PDSB is bouncing at that VWAP. You do have that higher candle that tried to hit the same double top of 443, and that candle only hit 442 and pulled back. On that one, BGXX. Samurai's calling BGXX. Wait. BGXX. Why is BGXX not? Oh, there it is. BGXX. Okay, okay. Also a little bit of a squeeze after a big beaten down. RDBX says Blair. RDBX high is 946. I don't know what this line is, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I want to see if RPTX comes back. I have a feeling RPTX is just accumulating a lot of shorts and buyers, and maybe it's the one that jumps up. Keep an eye out for Avaya at $5 breaks. Let's see. That's the one that the Concha shorted yesterday and came back all the way today. Way to cover that short. Dang, there's a lot of little stocks moving today, but kind of just riding back up like this one is. IMUX is. BGGX is. RDBX made a kind of a move too as well. I have alerts on both RPTX still and PDSB. Not necessarily key levels, but just in case we get a pretty nice squeeze anywhere in there, I will see it. Agaska is shorting Avaya at 505. Avia, Avaya, AVYA, whatever you call it. 505. If you get that 505 again, okay, I see it. Nutex ended up failing today. Gave it all back. IMMX kind of doing the same thing. PDSB is. RDBX is still trying here up at the $7 mark. Can it break and hold $7? It broke it once. Did not hold $7. So $7 is your resistance on RDBX. Gaska got filled at Avaya with 505. Oh, you got filled at 505. Nice entry, man. RDBX is a one to watch. I do like RDBX. Let's see. I was just watching it. Only thing still is, I mean, you still have plenty of shorts on this stock. RPTX, guys. RPTX. This is what I was waiting for right here. See if we really get a nice squeeze. 1175 break. I don't know if I should chase this or not. I might chase it with smaller share size in case we do get a nice little clean move back up. No, that candle closed low. I'm gonna chase this. 1,000 shares is not much. See if we get this move through 12, all the way up through 11.9 through $12. 11.75 is what needs to break. Well, you got it a little bit now, but not a clean move through it. There's a lot of buyers. Okay. $12 break. Here it is. There it is. Can we get break of $12? Yeah, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Break of $12 there, guys. Anybody caught that with me? Anybody caught that with me? I've been saying it. Watch this squeeze on RPTX. It's like guys, you guys know I know I see 10 minutes into the future. You guys know I see 10 minutes into the future, right? You know what I'm going to tell you is always going to play out, guys. You know this, right? Every time I say something, it actually happens, right? Every time I've said something in the last 5 days, it actually happens. I have 10 minutes into the future, guys. You just have to believe in me. I've been saying all day, watch RPTX for this big squeeze. I said it's got a lot of shorts in it. It's got piling shorts in it, but I see these buyers stepping in here. Didn't make as much money as I should have again. Gosh dang it, man. There we go. QB Trader took that with me. Blair up 185 on the day. Blair's putting up some real numbers now. Blair said I might not have to be a musician no more, man. Blair said I feel kind of sick. I don't got to go into my gig tonight. Ape Trace is green. Okay, I don't care how much it is, Ape Trace. You're making money right there. I re-added on this break of $12, guys. So I jumped in it, 11.75. Jumped in very high. I should have jumped on this pullback here, but I wasn't sure. Watch this new high here. There's still a lot of shorts. We caught them off guard once, but there's still a lot of shorts. Still a lot of shorts in here. So yeah, for real. We need that action that we used to have. Like this should have halted up. And then spawned another 10, 20 cents. Oh my god, Agaska got the highest fill. This should have halted up right there. It should have halted up and then on resumption been 10, 20 cents above what it halted at, and after that it should have shot up another 50 cents after that resumption. Like that's just what it usually does. Now we're holding this bottom here, guys. So watch to see if we keep holding this 11.9, $12, and we get a clean move back up through 12.13 or something like that. Okay, we closed below $12 there. That's not good. IMMX is coming back up. Oh wow, big push here. Quick. No. I got filled so high I misclicked the first button, and then the second one I got it right. I lost like 70 bucks on there. Gosh dang it. Oh well. Up 530 still. I hit F instead of D. Look at the 1 hour on RPTX. I fat fingered my hotkey. I hit the wrong one. Okay, let me look at some other comments. Joe Juan, you're a full dog. One of these today is going to halt up. Yeah, I saw that. 20-day green streak. Okay. Juan, look at the 1 hour on RPTX. What am I looking at? What is this over here? $13. I mean, I don't think RPTX might be done. We could still keep moving up. That last fill got me though. Good thing it was super small size, but yeah. Yeah, RDBX. We are getting back up to this $7 on RDBX. Maybe we can get it to play. So on that trade on RPTX, I jumped in PDSB. Oh, PDSB shot my alert. PDSB heading back up to this pivot point of 443. Sniper trades, you're in at 1185 on RPTX. What did Ape Trade say? Oh, you lost all your gains. Resistance at 1188 on RPTX, yes. And now we're trying to climb back up. We hit the high of 1219 where I got destroyed, but let's see if we can get back over $12 and hold $12. So that's what that candle spiked to there and did not even touch $12. Sniper Trades bought that dick, so he should be in some profit. He got in 1185, almost the bottom of that candle, missed it by a penny or two. But we can't even hold that 1188. Didn't even get up to $12. IMUX just keeps going, Samurai. I think Samurai was the one that mentioned IMUX. IMUX is still just slowly climbing its way up all day. RDBX, let's go look at RDBX again. So RDBX, $7 is the target you want right now. RPTX flushing again. These candles were kind of a hint. So 1188, 85 was that support. I mean 1185 was that support right there. 84 actually. But $12 is kind of the resistance, right? So $12 is up here. You didn't even get to touch $12. And then that high up there of that wick at 11.9, you saw that green candle come all the way up almost to $12 and close below that 11 line. That closing below 11.9 tells you shorts are in control, and then that next two candles are flushed down. You see that? Tesla 760 resistance could start turning from here. I still have that one share on Tesla that I just bought trying to like practice swing trading, and it's up like $100. I literally bought like the bottom of it. I had two, but IMUX is just now like, look at IMUX. I bet Samurai, I'm not looking to take profits until 1230, 1270 on that your 1185 entry. Yeah. What's your stop on that one, on that trade? Ooh, that was a big swallow. Sorry, guys. 1165 right at 20 cents stop. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Blair, you're back. I see. Tesla. Let's go look at Tesla. So Tesla, guys. Look at the 5-minute on Tesla, and you'll see a clear resistance. Look at this 5-minute on Tesla, guys. Look at the top of these candles right here. 1, 2, 3. Touch the wicks perfectly on that one and that one. And look where it's at right today. Perfectly on it, right? If we break here and hold that, that could be another push up. If we don't hold this at all, then we can keep moving down. Oh my gosh, IMUX is going to break the record for the stock with the most green candles in a day. There's no way. Look at IMUX. Like, this has got to be the longest. Actually, I wonder what that is. I wonder what the record is on all stocks around ever. The most green candles in a row. Lots of resistance around 1188 mark. If it breaks, it could try to go to 13, but for the moment, we are bearish. On RPTX, yeah. RPTX, any $12 is the next entry. Look at IMUX, guys. It's got, what is the time right now? 9:06. It's had 36 candles. Wait, is this 36? It looks like 36. It's had 36 candles in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's forming a red one right now. Like 60-70% of the candles today have all been green on IMUX. Let's quickly scan through all of them again. Are anybody watching on YouTube? Can you guys hear me on YouTube? It says I have 36 viewers on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, make sure to comment or put something on the chat if you have any questions, any tickers you want me to look at, or anything like that. So I do have that chat open. I know for a while I didn't have that chat open on YouTube, but I do have it open. So if you guys are over on YouTube, let me know. Oh my God, I spoke too soon on IMUX. Look at IMUX now. RPTX, can we get over $12? This was a clean move here. I missed this entry down there. I jumped in it late. And then, oh, so that's what I was going to explain. That's right. So I jumped in on this one. There's a big flush. Dang it. So on this one, I jumped in. This started curling back up and squeezing shorts now out. So I was looking at 1175. This candle kind of tricked me a little bit. So it closed not too high on it. I wanted it to close higher, a little pullback real quick and keep going. But we closed a little bit over halfway and then got down right in there, got bought up real quick. And then now at this point I was like, okay, I'm just going to jump in at real small size. I was somewhere around here when I clicked the buy button. I think I got a higher fill of almost 1170 area. I filled in there and it started squeezing. At this point it got all the way up to 11.9, and at this point I said $12 is around the corner. $12 is going to break. We just got 11.9, right? At that point I added to that play real quick under $12. So as a matter of fact, let's go look at it. This thing is so annoying, dude. Why does it work and why does not work? Maybe just give it time. So, okay, it's spawned, but this is why RDBX, this is why I say, guys, I don't feel comfortable taking a $7 break on RDBX because I say there's so many shorts in this stock. There's so many shorts that are in here from like a while ago, right? If this was a high of highs, then I have no problem taking a trade through $7, buying a breakout trade. But this, in this case, we're not. In this case, we're not, right? So there's going to be a lot of shorts, and obviously they don't even want it to get to $7 because they don't even want you to think that you have a chance to squeeze them. So it stops at 695, strong resistance there on RDBX. Don't even get the $7 break. So that's why I left it alone and not touching that one. But RPTX, here's my buys and sells. So my big ad on that candle was 2,500 shares at 1184. So 1184. So at that point, wait, no, that can't be it. That cannot be it. Yeah, there we go. So 1170 is when I first added that 1,000 shares. I added that as 1,000 shares at 1170, and then I added those 1,500 for that break of $12 up at 1193. So 1193, really high add, but I was looking for that break of 12 at that point, so I bought high on that one, got the break, and sold them at $12, 11.9, 12.06, 11.90. Wait. 1187. Wait, what did I buy at? 1193. So 1294. $12 was the big sale. There it is. So 7 cents on those. PDSB is now kind of crawling back up to that 443 again. Downtrend on PDSB. Let's go look at it. So connect these highs, and you are right at it. That is why that candle popped down and closed below it. So Sniper Trade's got out of that trade on RPTX. Yeah, but just didn't work out on your favor. But his risk to reward ratio he always sticks to his risk to reward ratio, which in this case, if he makes one bad trade, if he makes one good trade, then he can afford two bad trades, 2.5 bad trades. So he's good. He's good. He's chilling. I'll re-enter RPTX if it recovers and supports 1170. Okay. PDSC breaking up. What a break. Yeah, I see that break on that downtrend, but did not hold that. Crypto Wire is over on YouTube. Hey man, made a bit. Oh, that says hey man, not man. Hey, made a bit on RPTX, but closing up for the day. Hey, at least you got green. RPTX was my winner today as well, so let me go look at RPTX. Up 530. I gave some back on a stupid trade at the very top. I bought. I jumped in anticipating that break of 12.13. I fat fingered my hotkey and then I clicked it later up here at like 12, 16, 17, 18, 19. I don't even know what it was. And I stopped it down there at like 99 or something like that. It was only 500 shares, so it was okay. I lost like 70 bucks on it, but I mean it still hurts. Maybe even almost 100 bucks because I was up 630, 640 maybe. AVYA to break new high a day. Okay. Agaska, did you cover your short on AVYA? Agaska was short in on at 505. He got filled. Covered half only. Okay. It's back at my entry now. Yeah, I see it. That's what I was asking. So I didn't know if you went red on it now, or you took some profit now, and you took your profit down here. You always let those trades go back red on you? Or do you usually put a stop loss? Because in this case, if your entry was there, um, and you get this clean move, you can take half of it off there. But I would put that stop loss even like right there, right? Like below this level. So if it gets there, maybe it bounces off of it, but if it breaks below it, then okay, I get it. Stop out. But then that way you don't get into the red and lose profits. I don't know. Whatever works. I'm just asking how you trade. I feel so bad over traded in demo account. What does that mean? Why does that feel bad? You would look for another re-entry 525. What are y'all saying? Oh, hold up, Agaska calling me pessimistic. You're in short. That's the definition of pessimistic. Affirm did keep pushing up, guys. Affirm for my momentum scanner. So how's everybody doing today then? How are we how's our profits looking? Are we red? Are we green? Who's red and who's green? Everybody, and what did you trade, guys? So I have only traded on RPTX. That is my only trade today. RPTX is my only trade today. So RPTX, I'm up $529.23. Took good trades on the way up. Took a good trade on that squeeze. Took a loss on that last one. So I probably Mercer's 4 out of 4 green. Blair's 20-day green streak. Yeah, I see that up 185. Mercer took that trade on PDSB. I think you took that trade on the beginning part of PDSD, right? Somewhere in here, I think, is where you took that trade. So good job on that move, Mercer. Sniper Trades is red with one trade only. He took that trade on RPTX bounce, trying to get a support trade to see if we can retest those highs of 1185-ish. Stopped out at 1165. Risk to reward, lose 20 cents, make 50 cents on the way up. So makes sense on that one. Sniper trades is a lot on several swing plays. So there we go. If it not one thing, it's the other. As Benji got squeezed on RPTX, were you in short as Benji? Were you in short on RPTX? Joey said he jumped in on that same trade on RPTX. He believed in me. Siga is curling back up. Siga curling back up. Siga, get up $14 and I will trade you. $14 and I'll trade you. Right now, you're just. I'm letting the other people do the dirty work. As Benji was short. So, as Benji, what you're telling me is you didn't believe anything I said, right? As Benji's telling me that he heard what I said and decided to do the complete opposite. That's what you're telling me, is Benji. Joey believed in me, and look at him. He made some money. Look at you, Benji. You're red. I'm kidding. Let me look at AMD. RPTX just looks like it wants to go back up. Put an alert on RPTX above that 1185.86 level. I'm still watching it right now. AMD. AMD, Wild Boy, you said that 108 level. There's a big flush on RPTX. Now watch that crack. If you're in short on RPTX, this is your place to short. What is this? None to borrow, of course. Right there, the crack of this pivot point right here, 1144. I think this is a flush. There it is. There it is. Flush. There it is. This is just a little bit of a little pullback for them. Keep going down all the way to 11.2. Re-enter short there. Add a little bit to your position there. At 11.37. Let's see if this plays out to that 11.2. See if it plays out to 11.2. AMD. AMD. So AMD, let's look at the 5 minutes on AMD. AMD is choppy. AMD has been choppy the last 3 days on AMD. Let me see this 360. So AMD is had a really strong downtrend for the last literally almost a year, probably over a year. I can't zoom into the right so much. Oh, it's because I probably don't have. Let me up the time frame. There we go. Now I think you guys can see it. So AMD right here, big downtrend, right? So downtrend starting from the max highs it ever hit, and then right there as well, right there as well. And this is the first time you're over that resistance, right? Look at it. So you held it on the way down, so you are squeezing up. So AMD, I do feel like AMD is on a little bit back up to an uptrend now. Breaking that downtrend, confirming that break of downtrend, right there with that support of that line. And then now moving back up again. So what is the high of this other candle? 104. So it's already hit 104.5 already. But today you could have targeted that 104 again. So yeah, definitely good trade there, Wild Boy. Mighty Stocks, let's go. ¿Cómo te fue hoy? ¿Ya acabaste o todavía no? Mighty Stocks over on YouTube. ¿Cómo te fue hoy? I'm seeing if he replies over on YouTube. Estoy red 2:30. Ay, todavía es temprano para ti. Yo nada más operé RPTX. RPTX, I traded this front side somewhere in here, I believe. No, right here. I traded these right there. Got myself up green, and then I traded this squeeze, which I did not trade the vest. I jumped in small share size, jumped in up here, 1,000 shares for the break of 11.75. I jumped in late, and then we got that 11.9 touch at $12 was around the corner, so I jumped in 1,500 shares at 93. Smaller share size, higher risk, and I started taking them off at 12. So yeah, waiting for Momo. We'll see. I missed RPTX, hesitated because of the spreads and that wick. Green is good. Yeah. So this wick also. Well, this wick took me out the first time. I wasn't. I was actually long on it, and I was long when that wick happened. Didn't even have a time to take my profit, so I stopped out right there. This candle kind of messed me up, so I thought this candle was gonna close a little higher. If this candle could have closed a little higher, I definitely would have jumped in on this one, bigger share size, but I didn't. I didn't even get that dip at all, so I bought in higher up here, and then big ad up there for that break of 12. So those were my trades. And that's the only trade. Oh, and then I fat fingered a hotkey and bought up here and then sold down there. But good thing I had very small share size, so I only took like $100 loss. But I mean, that was a bad loss. It was my fault. Green is good. Green is good. Yeah, 15 days green, man. I'm 15 days green, counting today. And that's gotta be. I don't know the math. I'll have to put it in and I can show you guys. But it's close to $6,600. Small green days, but consistency, man. Consistency. Alright, over on Trace Gaster, let's see. RPTX looks like it wants to go back up. So RPTX, we did get that flush right there. Did get that 11. Oh, we didn't get 11.2. We got 11.25. I see it. Let's see. Ton of chop. That's how I make money on options. It needs to hold the 103 now, okay? Blair RTBX as well. Oh, never mind. He said Juan is crushing it. Heck yes, man. 15 days green. Awesome, Juan. Hey, some of you guys are crushing it too. Now on RPTX, I guess you can wait for the break of downtrend. So this candle might start squeezing, get up to VWAP, get up to that resistance, but shorts are waiting there, so. This later in the day, Blair, it's very rare that you're gonna see a squeeze like this happen up here. It won't happen from way down here. I mean, not that it won't happen. It could happen technically, but I would rather this stock get somewhere in this area up here of that 11.90, the $12, somewhere around here, the 11.85 that we were messing with earlier up here. So this range right there. And then when you start getting back into that range up there, that's when I start trading it. That's when I'll look for that $12 break, 12.10, 12.20, and then keep moving higher. Agaska is not done with AVYA. Did you re-add to your position up here on this 510 maybe? Yeah, so Samurai, alright, Joey's question first. Are you on Thinkorswim or no? If you're on our Thinkorswim, you have a timer all the way to your top left, right next to where your account is. It doesn't show it on my stream because I have that whole left side of my monitor cut off, but it shows a timer up there. And you guys know, and I've seen it, I've called it in front of you guys and said, guys, look at this candle, it's about to close, 10 seconds left, and then that candle starts picking up volume, and it's like, okay, either we push or either we fail or either we hold this level or we don't, stuff like that. So those last seconds on the candles tell you a lot. Blair's walking away. Okay, okay, okay. Agaska, there we go. I got out actually. I re-entered at 503. Nice. So that $5 is holding as a pretty good resistance on AVYA. So $5 up here. Candles could not get in their area and then keep pushing up. So $5 is the place to short. Good job, Agaska. Perfect play, Juancho. You made the perfect play. Is Ali Concha in here? Ali Concha, Ali Concha. No, I don't think he's in here today. He's missing out. So there was another question that I didn't answer. Good job, Agaska. Let me see. Is the volume okay? That one is the volume the best in the first hour? Yes. So a lot of it's like people like me, right? Like I'm here to start trading and I'm here to trade. A lot of people trade this first, and you can see. I mean, look at this volume right up here in this area, and then look at the volume now. Do you guys see that? Yeah, you got some little short consolidations with low volume down there. But, I mean, the majority of the volume now is way lower than it was in the first hour, which is normal because a lot of people just come in here. Yeah, big difference. So, yeah. So, a lot of people come in here and they trade that first hour, first and a half like me. And usually, guys, if I wasn't streaming, I'd be done now. I mean, $500 in an hour, call it a day, and then go do something else. I'm done, right? But I've been staying a little bit longer just because of you guys and some recently, and then recently, a lot of these plays have been happening a little bit later in the day. So, but yeah, so usually a lot of people come in and trade this. And for example, if I go look at, let's see, one stock that was kind of hot yesterday. Not that one. Nutex, I guess, but that was towards the end of the day. TNXP. TNXP. So TNXP was the stock from yesterday, right? Here's the volume. Look at it. Same thing. First, from 8:30 to 9:30 is right there. Look at that volume. That first hour and a half, and then look at the volume for the rest of the day. Right? Right here. And then right here. Do I ever short stocks? No, I don't. But I've been opening to shorting more stocks. I was looking at that RPTX right there, and at this point I was like, yeah, this is a short stock now. Right here on this flush, I said this is a short stock now. Why? Because it's the same thing. Whenever we get a dip that gets bought up like crazy, you're like, okay, this is gonna keep going and rip, right? Gonna keep pushing higher. This is the same thing. When they get a dip, flip the chart around. When they get a dip here and they add short and they just start pushing it right back down, you're like, oh god, I'm getting out. So you get out. So you start selling to cover. They start selling to add, and then that's where you got that break of this level right here of 1144, 1140 to the downside. So I wanted a short right there, and I would have covered around there. Got 10 cents profit on that. But I looked up and it says NTB. So that's probably the reason why I don't short as much or short at all, because of TD is not the best for shorting. barely have any available to short, so that's why. Ah. Which YouTube or free resources do you recommend for learners? There's a lot of books that Ape Trades, and Ape Trades is right here on the chat, has put over on my Discord. Oh, watch the squeeze. What the heck was that? Look at RPTX, guys. It is holding this move. It is holding that move. What a crazy move. I just literally said I didn't not expect something like this to happen. What was that? Oh my gosh, that gave me chills. I'm literally have chills right now. Wow, that ripped so high. So fast, so high. I'm looking for a dip of that 1175 again. I've added $1 of profit since I came back and traded this. Shorts got trapped. Heck yes, but they're back in here, but this 1175, that was a quick move, caught him off guard. If this would have started squeezing all the way up to $12, that would have gone real interesting real quick. I would have added it pretty aggressively. Now this is interesting again. Now it's got my attention. Now I'm going to actively trade it and see if we keep getting this continuation. So actually, I mean, I learned a lot of the basics on YouTube, guys, but a lot of this, I kid you not, like all these little candle closing, micro pullbacks, minute pullbacks, you cannot find them on YouTube. There's nobody tells you these, nobody finds them, and it's just, I think it's the way that I learned to trade. Like if you go and watch Warrior Trading, obviously he trades faster, but because he has the ability to get in, get out fast with light speed, he's got those hotkeys, right? So he's trading like this move right here as it's squeezing, adding, selling, 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 adding, 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 selling, 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 adding, adding, selling, 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 like all of that, right? But to me, because I'm in a little bit slower pace, I can't buy and sell with Thinkorswim so fast. I wait to see those quick 1 minute pullbacks, the little micro pullbacks. Wait to see if those candles close or don't close or anything like that. So a lot of that, I'm sorry, I don't see it on YouTube. I never learned from anybody. It's just stuff that I kind of like, even kind of invented myself, I guess. This dip is holding on RPTX. But it's just stuff that I just realized, and okay, this is working today. Okay, this worked yesterday. Okay, this is working again. Every time I see this, it works, right? But yeah, I mean, I watched a lot of day traders on YouTube. Sean even like Sean reads trend lines like crazy. That's all he plays. So he would have watched this trend line here and maybe jumped in it right there, breaking that trend line, and he somehow would have caught that move. Um, but I don't think he's trading these penny stocks as much now anymore. So he's playing the trend lines on the big stocks. So like that Tesla trend line or something like that, that AMD that I mentioned back up to that super strong resistance, and then you got above it, and now you're holding it as support, and then we rose up today. Stuff like that. Did anybody catch this move at all though? Juan Trades has a 100% short win rate. I do have a 100% short win rate though. Yeah, I don't usually trade shorts, but every short I've taken ever was green. I missed that comment, Darth Trader. I missed that comment earlier. I got a piece of that spike, Mercer said. Nice, nice, nice. So, who was asking that question? Is it Benji or yeah, it's Benji. So, I'm sorry, there's nobody online that I can say, look, this is where I learned it from. Most of the stuff I learned is okay. Look at half dollars, whole dollars. Look at trend lines. Look at this. Look at the bid ask level 2. Like stuff like that you can find on YouTube. But that is why I say, guys, like if you want to trade stocks and you want to be profitable, you just can't join a chat and see, okay, this guy's buying at 1150, so I'm gonna buy it at 1150. You can't. You have to look at it yourself and then really understand it, all of that. RTBX. Did RTBX break that $7? It did break that $7. Man, RPTX got me like excited real quick out of nowhere, and then it just stalled out. It literally, like, I saw it and I was like, I got sat up real quick. On trades I can see an hour into the future. I'm not in. No, I am not in. I got in somewhere in here. I made $20-$30 profit extra, and then I got in again, and then I lost a little bit. So I was at 529 before these trades here. Now I'm at 530. So I added $1 of profit. I guess it's time to reverse engineer your YouTube videos. I mean, I am working on that course myself, and I do explain all of these, like a 1 minute pullback, or like when you get up to resistance, you buy that next candle. When you get up to that resistance and close above it, something like that. Um, Stuff like that. I mean, everything that I usually trade is going to be on there. So this is that break of that little downtrend here. First minute candle to make a new high here. There it is. So this is where people do that as well. Like Ross, with that quickness that he has, with that fast hotkeys and reaction time, he's buying that move right there. He's the one buying that break of this candle right there, 1171, adding, taking profit, adding, taking profit. I'm not that fast. I don't have the fast hotkeys, the fast platform, the fast fills to be jumping on that. And a lot of it really is experience. Like on RPTX, we were in this move right here. And I don't know why. I just felt it. I felt the shorts that were trapped that or not trapped that were short here at 1175. I felt them there. I felt them down here with that wick. I felt them there with that 1175. We came down, and at this point I said, if this stock squeezes, it's gonna squeeze a pretty good amount, right? I mean, you got a candle squeezing from 11.5 to 12.06, like a 60-cent candle. That's a lot. Two candles taken from 11.30 to 12.6 again, so two candles taking up almost a whole dollar. And I said it, I mean, if this candle starts popping back up or something like that, we get a nice squeeze, we could rip through that 1175 where all the shorts were. If we get to this level, this is where all the shorts were. And that I just felt. That's not something you can be taught. And that the way I just know is those candles, the way that candle moved, broke 1 penny. I said, I'm out. I get out of that trade. Broke 1 penny. I got out, flushed, saved myself right there. Definitely $200, $300, $400 on that flush. Do you do phone call sessions? I do not, but I can with you. If you just want to hop on a phone call or something, let me know. Are you on my Discord? If you're on my Discord, go ahead and just shoot me a DM and I can help you out. So let me do something now. I just want to see. All right, guys. I'm gonna play another little game. Another little game. Winner. How about this? How about this? I want to play a game. Winner of this game gets a free phone call with me. All right, it's Benji. If you want it still, that's fine. Go ahead and DM me. Go ahead and DM me. What's it called? Go ahead and DM me, and I'll still do the phone call. But I'm gonna offer it to everybody else. Winner of this game gets a phone call with me. All right. In the last 15 days, how much am I up? Who's closer? In the last 15 days that I'm green, how much am I up? You get one guess. I see everybody's going back to my YouTube videos. Everybody is asking right now. Agaska, okay, you can't put the same answer as somebody else. It has to be a different answer. Has to be a different answer. I'm going to open up Trader View right now. 5,800, 4,600, 6,500. Okay, Lucky, you got to change your answer. Lucky, you got to change your answer. Agaska was the first one. Agaska had that first answer. Venkat said 8,000. Joey said 6,750. Zamboni, you are the winner, man. 15 days. I'm up $32,000 exactly. Zamboni, you are the winner. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not up 32,000. Darth Trader was your answer. Simboni, is that your legit answer? Because I'm going to take it if you don't change your answer real quick. Okay, there's got to be more of you guys in here. There's got to be more of you guys. So I got Agaska 6,500, Mersa 5,800. I got, oh, Darth Trader, you did put an answer. 4,600, Mira 7,800, Jim 6,950. I haven't a damn clue. Yeah, I see it. The Truth or Not 7,100, 23. Oddly, I think you said it out loud a bit ago. I said a rough number. Yeah, I said a rough number. BJ said 6,800. I don't know what the answer is, guys. I don't know what the answer is yet. I'm going to go... Blair, real quick, for everybody that missed it. So I said, guess in the last 15 days how much profit I am. You get one answer. Closest answer gets a free phone call with me. I want you to take out that $4. Whoever gets this right or closest will just have a little phone call with me and can ask me any questions you guys want and everything like that. Lucky 13. I think Lucky. Okay, so you had the first day 6,500. Okay, so your answer is 6,874 in the last 15 days. Yep. Swall Granny says 7,000. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. One of you guys is very close. One of you guys is very close. Like, extremely close. Alright, are all answers in? All answers in? All of the answers are in. Locking it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Wild Boys, your answer in? 3. Oh my god, Wild Boy's talking about AMD. What the heck, Wild Boy? I'm over here waiting for your answer in AMD. I'm running an AMD put to 102 expiration, hoping to do a quick scalp through. It's very bullish. I'm looking for a dollar pullback to be in profit. Alright, so here's the answer, guys. Trader View. Here is the last 15 days selected. 1, I'll call you if you're lucky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm counting that Saturday, whatever. I'll take out the $4, but I'm counting that one. So 15 in the last 15 days. Here it is. If I go over to detail, here's the answer. Who was closer? Who was the closest? I know who was the closest. Look at RPTX. Alright, look at RPTX. So who was the closest, guys? Who won? Lucky. Yep, Lucky won. I saw that. Lucky was off by like $40. So 68, 34, 76. So Lucky, you got lucky, man. Lucky, you got lucky. Lucky, you got lucky. Lucky, if you're on my Discord, go over there and send me a DM. Tell me you are Lucky. Now, all of you guys are gonna come in here and be like, dude, I'm Lucky. Dude, I'm Lucky. Dude, my name is Lucky. How much am I up? 68.34. Lucky Head Insider Info. Bro, you're the one that said 32,000. Beat. Oh wait. Oh wait. Did you say 6,800? Who's closer? Wait a second. Did BJ get it? No, I think. Wait, hold on. I gotta go back up and see this. I gotta go back up and see this. No, guys. I didn't. Yeah, BJ was closer. BJ was closer. BJ was closer. I did not see your 6,800. I saw that 74, 68, 74, but did not see. You're right. You did say 6,800. Oh my goodness. Change of rules. Change of winner. Change. Everything is being changed. Take the title away from Lucky. I'm kidding, Lucky. If you want to join, go ahead and ask me and just send me a DM. I'll help you guys out too. You guys both get phone calls for the inconvenience. Yeah. So I'm saying that. So any of you guys, if you just want a quick chat, a quick question, go over to my Discord, send me a DM, and if I can jump on a quick phone call with you, I will. It will be later today or maybe just tomorrow or this weekend because I am not doing anything this weekend. But we'll plan a time and I can help you guys out. So all of you guys have been in here pretty consistently. Darth Trader. So I just started planning a lot of stuff, so here it is. Like, this is all that I've been planning. I didn't realize how much it's gonna take to freaking do this course. Like, I'm writing sheets and sheets of information and sheets of information. Like I kid you not, guys. I have sheets of information. And I'm just planning it out. Make sure I got every topic covered. Make sure I know what I want to say on every topic. So after that, it'll just be record, and get it all done. I've been getting a lot of snapshots of like examples. So if you go over here to my course content on my computer, like I got all of this stuff to show you guys. So like different patterns, stuff to stay away, like my strategies, all of those right there. So I have a lot. It's gonna take me a while. I want this to be legit. You like writing better over typing stuff out? It was just easier. So if I'm looking at the chart on my computer and I don't have to X out of it, then I just write that stuff. So yeah. Short sheets turn into a book. Oh yeah. that Steve Harvey moment. I know what you're talking about. I'm serious, guys. Any of you guys want to join my Discord? I'll post it on the Tradecaster right now. Any questions you guys have? A lot of you guys that have been in here, I recognize. So you guys have been in here consistently. So yeah. Let me go over to what am I doing? Juan Trades. Invite people. Go over to change the invite link. Make sure it doesn't expire. Generate new link. Copied. Go over to. I saw those answers on YouTube as well, and you were not, guys, were not the closest. So I did take into consideration Jesse and 2Monkey Bro. So answer was 6834, and somebody said 6800 over on Tradecaster, and somebody said 6874. So both of them were within $30-$40. One was 40, one was 30. I'm looking RPTX again, see if we can get over 11.7. But same thing goes for YouTube, guys. I see Jesse has been in here several times. So Jesse, if you need help on anything, just shoot me a DM on Discord, shoot me a DM on Instagram, anything you see first. So I'm gonna post this. this Discord link on this Tradecaster. There's that Discord link, so you guys can go ahead and click it and join, and you will be in my Discord. So, Benji, to answer back your question, I don't think I really answered it. My course is going to still be in another month, 2 months out before I got everything ready. I'm not doing this to make a quick buck, guys. I'm not doing this to just, obviously the money is going to help me and hopefully I can sell it and make money off of it, but it's not just a scam to get it quick money. So I want to make sure I put a good course together and stuff. If that makes sense. Like, I'm not just going to put it together in 3 weeks and and put it out there. I'm still holding AVYA. I think I can fall even more. AVYA. You still haven't gone under VWAP, and you're right there. Let's see if you can get that crack of VWAP and then really flush the rest of the day. RPTX, it just keeps coming back. RPTX just keeps coming back. Jesse Burns said, thank you. I meant to type 4900, but no matter. Yeah, you're good. You're good. So I see Lucky13 joined the Discord. Andreas is in there. VW. I don't know who that is. Maybe Venkat. I don't know. And then some of these other ones are different names. If you are over, actually, you know what? Let me do this over on YouTube as well, because I don't know if you guys are on that Discord as well or not. So there's my Discord link. Okay, yeah, I saw you, Andreas. So yeah, any questions you guys have, just let me know. I'm willing to help you guys out for free now. Eventually I will do it to whenever I pull out my course, then maybe those people have access to me, and if I need to answer a question, I can call them real quick or something like that, if it's easier. But yeah, for now, you guys have been in here every single day supporting me, so supporting the stream, so I'll help you guys back out. So let's see. I mean, BGXX, nothing there. PSTG, nothing there. Affirm, a little bit of low volume. Affirm's volume is dying off as the stock keeps going up. So kind of a little bit of divergence there. Not sure that I like that. RPTX just doesn't give up. I wonder if RPTX has just one mega squeeze. Candle starts squeezing through that downtrend. Volume is not really picking up. Now it starts picking up a little bit. That volume is coming in. Still watching RPTX. Let's see if we can get back up to that $12 mark. This is volume coming in. Look at that volume candle start getting bigger. This is what we want to see. Here's a break of downtrend. We're breaking it right now. Can we hold it? Still watching RPTX. Invis and Jivo are on the momentum scanner. You got in at 11.51 on RPTX. Okay, 11.50 break, 11.51. Now you're sitting in almost 40 cents of profit. There we go. There we go. Sniper trades in it. Let's see comments up here. Mersa, what is up with that Patrick thing? Blair said, Juan, thanks for all that you do. You've completely changed my trading for the better. Awesome, awesome. Okay, watch this. Watch RPTX still. We're opening up. Volume is not there though. We need that volume to pick up like this volume here. Look how much shares were traded on this one. Let's see. 663,000, and on this push is like a third of that, 200,000. We're learning from you and each other. Appreciate that, Joey. Appreciate that, Blair, for those comments. So appreciate it, appreciate it. So Sniper Trades took out half at 11.85 on that. So good job. You're still in profit by a lot. So he's got a good runner going on. Now he's got a stop loss above break even. Sniper Trades is already green on the day. There we go. Told you his trades. We all trade different. He's got a good risk to reward. I have no risk to reward. I just have consistency going for me. But his risk to reward, one winner takes out two losers. So here's the squeeze, maybe. I'm gonna buy this. See if we get that new high of day. Small share size in case it fails on me, but let's see if we can really get this squeeze again. $12 is holding. I might have jumped in out of just pure trying to get a squeeze, but let's see. Dancing around my profit. Can we get a new break of 12.20? There we go, there we go. Takes him off there. There we go, takes him off there. New high, probably. Watch this little dip candle here. So, buy that dip. And then watch for this curl back up to 12.20. There it is. New high, takes him off there. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I'm just reading the stock like a book, man. I'm reading the stock like a book, baby. Takes him off there. 200 shares left. Watch this squeeze through 12.30, maybe. Sniper Trade's got that low entry, man. Sniper Trade's got that low entry. Taking some more off. Should I close it out for 700 profit? $700.75. $700.75. Do I need to do another recount? Do I need to do another recount? Do I have to add that profit now and add it and see who gets a free phone call or what? Like, am I just doing this all day long? Guys. I'm having an emotional moment. Just kidding. I was having a little emotional moment. I've come a long way, guys. I was not a profitable trader when I started. I was not a person that thought of making $700 a day in an hour and a half. I like this. I like my job, guys. Andres is up 1.2 thousand. There we go. Sniper Trades went from negative 350 to positive 788. Like it. I like it. It's Benji. Did you take... Blair took that trade as well, up 251 now. Sniper Trades came back. Darth Trader says, I'll make it look easy, guys. You just have to be patient, guys. I got no trades down here. I have no business trading down here. But once it gets in my range, once it gets in my zone, once I know the target, I said $12, $12, $12, $12. I jumped in, $12, $12 holds, $12 squeezes, 12.20, new high of day. I mean, guys. One of the realest traders, you must feel proud as fuck, and especially getting out of rat race. Guys, yeah. I mean, it's a lot. Probably up 7,000 now in 15 days. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. I'm gonna just quickly re-add these. So export the file and then resave it. So now let's see exactly what I'm up in the last 15 days. So it's gonna be a little different. Added about, I was up 530 and it closed to 700, so another 170 bucks. Let's see, import trades, browse, select that same file, open it, upload it. So from 530 on the day to 775. Reports still filtered, so my profit from 68.34 on 15 days has now gone up to $7,004.78. You guys don't believe me? I know you guys do. Here it is. Filtered from May 11th to June 2nd. $7,004. Average day was 466. Biggest win was 1,800. Biggest loss was 1,300. What is my winning percentage on those days? I just needed to see that. I just needed to see that. What's my winning percentage on the last 15 days? 100%. What's my winning trades on those days? 71%. What's my losing trades on the... Oh, wait. I don't have losing days. Why is this all zero? Why is this NA? Why is it... There's no information. I think TraderView broke. I think TraderView broke, guys. I cracked the system. I cracked the system. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, enough of that. Enough of that. That was funny. Enough of that. That was funny. Oh gosh. Oh. Alright. Let's see. I gotta read some comments before you head out. I think I saw your last comment. So, one of the realest traders, you must feel proud. Yep, I read that one. I read that one. So, Andreas been in here 3 days and up $3,000. Awesome job, man. If I kept all the shares, I would have been up close to 1250 in the green, but it's hard to be greedy in this market. Yeah, always take your profit. I took my profit right on that first spike. Didn't get a continuation, so good to always take profit early. I was just about to put in a stop buy at 1201, but missed it. I will get the next ones. There we go, Jims. Okay. My first day here. Impressive trade. Sir Clive, appreciate you coming in here. Didn't know we had somebody new here. Appreciate it. Welcome in. Hope you like it, and hope we see you back again. So, any questions you guys have, just comment below. Comment on the Discord. Comment on Tradecaster. Ask me right now. I'm right here. Blair said, yo, I guess Blair knew him. That's good as money, man. Appreciate it, Darth Trader. Heck yeah, nobody gives you $7,000 in 15 days, right? That's a lot. Some people work 2 full months. 2 full months of 40 hours a week, 8 to 5 to make $7,000, right? Crazy. I'm doing this in an hour and a half, 2 hours a day. Let's see. Congrats, Juan. Are you now full-time trading? Heck yes, this is me full-time trading. Sir Clive, what you thinking about? He was talking about that. I think James was saying that 1201 entry again on RPTX. Most people don't make that in 1 to 5, 2 months working 40. Okay, I just said that, Dark Trader. You read my mind. Actually, I guess I read your mind because you typed it first. So yes, exactly what I was thinking, and I said it out loud. I just hadn't seen your comment. So yeah. Thoughts on IMMX? Maybe a balance at 240 in a couple of minutes. IMMX. Let me look at it real quick for you. IMMX. So you can look for dips on these trades. You can look for dips areas on these. Like that's the pre-market low you're probably looking at. These are not my quality setups. These are not my strategy. This is not my expertise. So you guys know if you want to buy dips, then great. I would probably even say buying uptrends, like break of downtrends, is a little bit safer. And then obviously the breakout trades where you know that sellers are going to get squeezed out or stuff like that. That's where I jump in, and my strategy is based off of. So Blair, yo, thanks for putting me on to Juan. There we go, Sir Clive. Appreciate you coming in here, Blair. Thank you for doing that, man. Thank you for doing that, Blair. Appreciate you bringing people and letting them know that I'm streaming, guys. And I appreciate if any of you guys do this. So I've seen a lot of you guys on over on Instagram. So if you ever just post trading or something like that, make sure you tag me. Make sure to say Tradecaster Juan so we can get more people in here, keep growing all together. So thank you guys for doing that. So. Yes, I did leave my job about a week or so ago. I think 2 weeks going on now, maybe. Blair said he's calling it for today. Blair, appreciate you, man. So Blair has been in here for about a month, 2 months. He could not break even. He could not make money. And ever since he's been here, he's been on like a 20-day win streak, and now he's putting up real numbers. He started with $5, $10. I think yesterday he made $100, 185. Today up 285. Like those are real numbers, man. Did you learn your strategies from deck, or did you develop my own? I developed my own. I know it's kind of hard to say and people don't believe it, but if you guys see what I'm trading and you see my little pullbacks, my break of resistance, it's half dollar, whole dollar. Those are all like generic half dollar, whole dollars, psychological. But just quick little scalps, quick little bounces, where the candles close, where the wicks touch, like identifying those. Developed on my own. I'm sure a lot of traders see them as well, and I'm sure that's why those charts are so accurate, right? Because like those levels keep holding. But yeah, I have never seen anybody on YouTube or any other trader speak about the wicks where they close, the body candles where they close. Wait till you get a close above it on certain levels, like here, for example. Ugh, I can't zoom in now. I can't zoom in. Amir, yo, what's up, Juan? Thanks for coming in here, Amir. Um, I'm guessing you just showed up. What's up, man? How are you? Let's see, man. Those are the things that clicked for me. The closing of candles and also how it relates to the time. Yeah. So a lot of that I also noticed myself. Nobody tells you this next candle, or the last 10, 15 seconds of this candle. The next candle might be the next one that opens up and rips, right? Nobody says that, but that's stuff that I've noticed. I just sat here for years and years, and just looked at it and said, okay, this candle's there. And then it's like out of nowhere, that next candle is picking up volume and closing high. And then at the second that candle closes high, that next candle, little pullback real quick, fast little pullback, and rips up. And that's stuff that I just noticed on my own, right? I'm sure a lot of people do, and that's why those things work. But not once have I ever seen a YouTube video of somebody telling you this. So let's show all the trades. Look at that. Leave the downtrends alone. Leave the downtrend alone. Jump back in on the uptrend. Leave the downtrend alone. Alright, this uptrend. Leave the downtrend alone right here. Jump in on the uptrend. Perfect trading. Watch these squeezes now. Obviously, later in the day, it becomes more risky. More shorts are in. We got one squeeze. Failed the first move, right? One squeeze, failed the first move. One squeeze, failed the first move. One squeeze, failed the first move. This is not clean. This is not a clean trading, right? So yeah, this can come up for another one, but usually this is not what you see. So this one, you could tell is still being shorted. Like this is your first move here, and then you didn't even hold that 1146 to 1150. Went right below it, right? Next move, you break through that $12. Didn't even hold $12 on it now. Break almost to $12 again. Didn't even hold the 1150. Pulled all the way back to below 1150. Again, break of $12 right below back $12. So this is not clean trading and still a lot of shorts. So now I'd probably, even if I see another squeeze, I might just leave it alone. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 perfectly good trades right there that we got, and we're able to capitalize on. So the later in the day, the more risky it gets, the less volume you get, so the less cleaner moves you get. So Juan, okay, let me look at some other comments. Amir said, "Hey, what's up, Juan? What's up, Amir? I didn't see you comment back again. What's up? How did you do today? Did you trade anything?" Blair, I was always concerned about the highs, which is important, but the close accounts in relation to what candle before is massive importance. Yep. Juan, on your chart at 835, I believe that big wick to the downside. To the downside, why didn't it flush? How come longs came in and bought at 835? Right here, 835. Nah, I'm just chilling. On your chart, 835. I believe that this one. Okay, because you said the downside, not to the upside. So this wick's to the upside. So this wick actually, this wick I entered a trade here, and I entered a trade there. So I actually was in profit when this candle was actually forming. So I was somewhere around here when that candle formed, and this candle right here, there's two types of wicks, right, that you see. One is where that candle pops all the way up and you physically see that candle taking out those levels, and then it takes it out, pops up, takes it out, and then flushes down, right? Like sellers came in, pushed it back down, a lot of sellers, stuff like that. So if you get that move where that candle pops up, and then fails, that is bad. That is a shorts. That's like kind of like this candle, right? So this candle right here, that's kind of what I'm talking about. So where you see that candle rise, taking out shorts, and then you hit their zone there, and they get pissed. They're like, no, this is my zone, man. You better back off. So then they come in short and slam you back down. That's one candle you do not want to trade, and you do not even want to trade the next move. You might not even get a next move because shorts are piling in, right? So when you see that, that's when you get this next move. Actually, I saw it right here, and I said this is a short. When you got that big candles taking out shorts, and then you get right to that area of this 1168 right there, they're like, no, this is our territory. They're going to slam you back down. They slammed it back down. And at this point said, I looked, if I had shorts easy to borrow, I would start shorting in this candle because that is strong sellers coming in. You flush that and you take the buyers out of this level, so you flush through that. So I read that move, but obviously I don't play shorts and I don't even have shorts available to borrow. So I didn't take that one. Now, what happened on this candle? Sometimes, I don't know what happens. Sometimes there might be misprints. There might be big orders going through. But when I was in this candle, that wick just spawned. So that candle never rose up and got rejected. That candle never popped up and got rejected. That candle was right here the whole time, and then out of nowhere, boom, a wick just showed up. That to me doesn't tell me that that candle actually hit those levels and came down. It just kind of like triggered something and came back down. So I don't take those as well. I just take them with a grain of salt and say, okay, that just happened, like weird. Doesn't mean I'm just going to immediately buy that next candle or just immediately expect it to hit that level again. But this candle is not as important as a candle that actually hit those highs and actually got rejected. So I don't know if you were here or not when that candle was forming, when that first candle. If not, I will post this back on YouTube. This live stream will be up on YouTube, but the second I finish, it's already public. I'm not playing music, so it should be able to post. So you can go back and then, I mean, just look at the first 5 minutes of market open, and you see me in that candle in on that trade. It spikes up, my profit doesn't even change, and you hear me complain, be like, what the heck was that, or like stuff like that, like what is that wig, you know? So you see me doing that. So hopefully that answers that question of why that wig happened and why it still kept going up or something like that. Blair, remember? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, Blair, remember, guys. My wife has a big test tomorrow for her medical school, so I will be trading, but I will not be trading live. So sorry, guys, for that. This doesn't happen very often. She doesn't have to take tests at home very often. Just kind of a coincidence that tomorrow she had to. I don't know why. Maybe some issues at school or something like that. But she does have to take a test from home, and she's got to take it at 8 in the morning. So I will not be streaming tomorrow. So hopefully I don't. Oh my gosh, this one kept rallying back up. So now you're picking up volume. Still kind of choppy-ish, not clean candles. But you are squeezing some people out. You're squeezing Agaska out. Agaska was in short on this one. I think he took a trade, got filled right there, covered, stopped out, re-entered. So hopefully he covered again down here and then pushing back up. So guys, like I was saying, I think I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day. Any last questions you guys have, go ahead and ask them right now before I head out. And like I said, whoever was the winner, was it you, as Benji? I don't know. Whoever was the winner, you guys know. Anybody else? Anybody else? If you have a question, just send me a DM on Instagram. Send me a DM on Discord. Send me a DM on anything. If it's something I can explain real quick, I'll type it out. If it's not, I can hop on a quick phone call with you. I'll plan it out ahead of time. Um, I can hop on a quick call with you. Maybe even show you some examples of what I'm talking about. Share my screen, anything like that. Obviously, I'm not going to talk to you on the phone for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. But answer some quick questions, and we can see what we go on from there. All right. So that concludes my training for today. If you're still here watching, there's like 45 of you still on here. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I do want to keep growing, guys. So if you really do like what you're seeing in my trading, make sure to keep posting it on social media, guys. If you want, if you can do me a favor, make sure you guys go like, comment on my TikTok, say, dude, this guy's legit. Well, don't say just exactly that, but something like that, right, guys? So we can, yeah, Mercer's a little, always wants that power hour, always wants that power hour. I actually did come back power hour yesterday, and I saw Nudex, but it was the only one. Didn't see anything else, and I was like, I'm not gonna risk my money. I'm not gonna risk my streak trading something that I'm not used to, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Yeah, so my wife is in medical school. Yep. So, Sir Clive, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thank you for that. Thank you. So yeah, let's keep going, guys. Let's keep getting more people. Wow, good job. She doesn't work. She doesn't work. She's in school, so she makes a big fat $0. So eventually, yes, she will have a good job, and I can be a stay-at-home dad who trades and takes care of the kids and walks the dogs. That is my life and goal. No, actually, my goal in life is to make more money than she does, and she knows that. She knows that, because obviously, if she becomes any type of big doctor, 300, 400, 500K a year, I don't think she has interest in any of those, but still. If trading does not work out, at least you have your wife. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I've been trading almost 3 years. 3 years will be in August, September-ish area, somewhere around there. So yeah, she's still in school. She's got 2 years left of schooling before she goes to residency, and then she'll get paid, but it's like she works 80 hours and gets paid less than minimum wage, so it's not the best, not until she gets an actual job to make more green than Ross. I don't know about that, man. I wish and I hope someday, yes, but he is like, he's another level. He is the top of the top. He is. She's not at UT San Antonio. She is through A&M. A&M Medical School. On Yest? What is Yest? Oh, yesterday? Maybe is that what you meant? Cause yeah, he traded H. I don't know how he sees those moves. He traded HDST like in the first opening range. Like as soon as it popped up in the scanners, he jumped on it. HSDT, was that what it was? Yeah, he like jumped on this move right here. Break of $2. Like, how? I don't know. I wish someday, man, someday have a lake house, have a nice boat, have a bass boat, have a wakeboarding boat. That'd be crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I gotta go eat. Gotta go feed the dogs. You guys know the routine. You guys know my schedule. You guys know my life. So tomorrow, no trading, guys. You play it safe tomorrow. Um, I might hop on the Discord and just kind of like chat and see what stocks I'm looking at, which ones I like good or which ones I don't like good. Peace out, Mercer. All right, peace out, everybody. I am out. If you're still watching on YouTube, I appreciate you watching on YouTube and tuning in as well. Thanks for coming in here, guys. Like I said, tomorrow is no streaming. I will not be here tomorrow. I will trade, so hopefully I keep that streak going. If I lose tomorrow, then maybe y'all are my lucky. What am I thinking of the word? Lucky. What word am I thinking? Holy crap! I can't think of it. Anyways, guys, you guys have a good weekend. I will see you guys on Monday. Play it safe tomorrow. Play it slow. Um, Wait for those quality setups and don't chase every green candle. Lucky charm, I guess. Yeah, you guys are my lucky charm. So I will see you guys on Monday. Watch RPTX later in the day. Play it smaller share size. Breakouts are going to be less clean. So keep watching those. But other than that, I will be done for the day, and I will see you guys on Monday. Swole Granny. Wait, can you share link to your Discord? Yeah, let me do it again. Let me do it again real quick. Let me do it again real quick for you. Just for you. Just because you asked. Just because you asked. I already have it copied. I don't need that. There you go. Even on my Discord, guys, I get a lot of people that come in on my Discord through TikTok, but not a lot of people are pretty active on Discord. Every time somebody asks a question and stuff like that, I do answer it. There's a new high for RPTX. Like I said, watch these later in the day's moves. Look at that volume, it's less. You're not getting that clean breakthrough there. You're not getting that clean breakthrough there. Look at these volume candles here on that breakout. Look at it. Look how much volume you got. Look at this candle, more volume. Look at these candles right here, more volume. Look at this one. It's the lowest volume you've had all day on a breakout. That's the lowest volume you've had all day in your breakout. Volume is your best friend for a breakout. Yeah, so guys, y'all stay active on my Discord. Y'all stay active everywhere else. And I will see you guys on Monday. So y'all have a good weekend.